Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into the exciting world of the upcoming Apple iPhone SE 4, a device that promises to redefine what we know about budget-friendly smartphones. With massive upgrades on the horizon, including cutting-edge hardware and innovative features, this is an iPhone you won't want to miss. Let's explore the details. Regulatory shifts pave the way for USB Type-C. The tech world is buzzing with news about regulatory changes in Europe, which have mandated USB Type-C ports for all smartphones. This shift is reshaping Apple's product lineup, leading to the discontinuation of the current iPhone SE and iPhone 14 models in the region. The good news: these changes clear the path for the iPhone SE 4, which will feature the much-anticipated USB Type-C port. This new standard not only ensures compliance, but also brings a universal charging experience. Whether you're charging your laptop, tablet, or iPhone, a single cable can now handle it all, making life easier for consumers. Release date and pricing insights. Apple enthusiasts can mark their calendars for March 2025. The iPhone SE 4 is set to debut in mid-March, perfectly positioned 6 months after the iPhone 16 series launch and 6 months before the iPhone 17. Priced at an estimated $550, this device delivers a remarkable blend of power, performance, and affordability, making it an unbeatable option for those seeking value. Introducing next-level charging accessories. While waiting for the iPhone SE 4, consider enhancing your tech setup with some innovative charging solutions. Companies like Ugreen are leading the charge with products like the Uno 100W charger, which supports 4 devices simultaneously. Their 2-in-1 magnetic station offers blazing fast wireless charging for the latest devices, including a 15W MagSafe-compatible charging pad for iPhones and a separate port for smaller gadgets like the Apple Watch. These charging accessories ensure you're always powered up, even on the go, with portable options like the 5,000 mAh power bank, offering both wireless and wired fast charging. These accessories are perfect companions for any modern tech enthusiast. Hardware innovations, camera and display. The iPhone SE 4 takes photography to new heights with its 48-megapixel wide-angle rear camera. Borrowed from the iPhone 16, this sensor offers advanced image processing capabilities, including near-optical 2x zoom, thanks to Apple's computational photography. On the front, a 12-megapixel true-depth camera ensures stunning selfies and smooth FaceTime calls. For display enthusiasts, the iPhone SE 4 doesn't disappoint. It features a 6.06-inch LTPS OLED panel with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels. With a peak brightness of 800 nits, it delivers vibrant visuals and better power efficiency compared to the previous LCD displays. This screen promises a delightful experience for everything from streaming videos to gaming, powered by cutting-edge performance. At its core, the iPhone SE 4 is powered by Apple's A18 Bionic chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or exploring AI-driven features. From advanced photo editing to augmented reality experiences, this device handles it all with ease. In addition, the iPhone SE 4 introduces Apple's in-house 5G modem and a custom Wi-Fi 7 chip, ensuring blazing fast connectivity and reduced latency. These innovations not only future-proof the device, but also make it an excellent choice for users seeking high-speed internet capabilities. The evolution of design. The iPhone SE 4 adopts a modern design, bridging the gap between premium and budget models. It retains the iconic notch to house the Face ID sensor and selfie camera, while offering a sleek and compact form factor. While rumors of a larger SE Plus model have circulated, they remain speculative. Apple seems focused on delivering a single, optimized version of the SE 4. Color options remain under wraps, but renderings suggest a palette that includes classic shades and potential new additions. As always, Apple's attention to detail ensures a device that's both functional and visually appealing. Battery life and charging capabilities. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to house a 3,279 mAh battery, offering all-day performance. While exact fast charging speeds are yet to be confirmed, industry insiders predict support for up to 30W wired charging. Wireless charging capabilities remain a given, further enhancing the device's convenience. The SE series, a legacy of affordability and power. Apple's SE series has always struck a chord with consumers, by delivering flagship-level performance at a more accessible price point. The iPhone SE 4 continues this tradition, combining the latest technology with a focus on value. It's the ideal choice for users who prioritize functionality over frills, offering the power of the A18 chip without the hefty price tag of flagship models. Why wait for the iPhone SE 4? If you're currently using an older iPhone SE or considering upgrading from a different budget smartphone, the SE 4 is worth the wait. Its performance, camera capabilities, and modern design make it a compelling option for anyone looking to step into the Apple ecosystem or upgrade their current device. Final thoughts. As March 2025 approaches, excitement for the iPhone SE 4 continues to build. With its combination of powerful hardware, cutting-edge features, and an affordable price point, it's poised to be one of the best-selling devices in Apple's lineup. Stay tuned to my channel, Technology in the Future, for the latest updates, rumors, and in-depth coverage of all things tech. Remember to hit subscribe and stay connected for more insights into the future of technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.